So here we have an eye mask that we can use for warm compresses, and you may have been asked to use this for the management of meibomian gland dysfunction. We're using it to soften up the thicker oils that get caught up in the glands and cause blockages. How we're going to use it is by heating it in the microwave or the oven, and then leaving it on with your eyes closed for 5 to 10 minutes. Maybe pop some music on just so that you can keep yourself occupied. This particular mask is antibacterial on the inner surface, so it stays nice and clean and can be used for long periods of time. So in the box we have the mask itself, which has a strap on the back, so this can also be used sitting up as well as reclined. We get some wipes in here, which are important for cleansing the eyelids after heat and massage, and we'll come back to that in a moment. The mask is going to be heated up in the oven or the microwave and then left on closed eyes for 5 to 10 minutes, after which it's very important that we do some lid massage, which we'll have a look at now. Once you take the eye mask off, it's very important to do lid massage, and this helps to express the less healthy fluid, clearing the way for the healthier fluid to come through. Press gently upwards towards the eye, a couple of times all the way across, and then on the upper lids, pressing downwards towards the eye, and again on the other side. Your eye mask can also be used as a cold compress, and this can be very nice during allergy season as it helps to calm down puffy, red or irritated eyes. To use it as a cold compress, what we're going to do is remove the beads from inside the mask, place these into a plastic bag and then leave in the freezer for a minimum of 2 hours. Once you take it out, we'll place it back into the lining and then you can leave it on closed eyes for as long as desired. So once you've done your heat and your massage, we're then going to clean our lids with an eyelid wipe. And this is important to make sure we're cleaning away the fatty deposits that we've expressed from our massage so that it doesn't harden and settle on the eyelid. Water won't clean this away by itself. We need a specific product to help clear the lids. We're going to use these eyelid wipes, which are biodegradable and single use. I'll show you how to use them now. So once we have the wipe out of the packet, we're going to fold it over our finger and use to cleanse the eyelids separately from each other. For the lower lid, we're going to look up and pull the lid down and run the wipe along the eyelid margin. For the top lid, we're going to look down and lift the lid a little so the margin stays nice and tight and run the wipe across the upper lashes. For the other eye, we're going to turn the wipe over and use a clean side and repeat the same process.